Hello, my name is Edgar. Core by Premier software enables clients to pay deposits for appointments in advance in a variety of ways. Therefore, I will outline how to enable deposits in your core system, starting with prepayments, future part payments, and taking deposits online. When booking a reservation of an appointment or facility, a client may wish to pay for it in advance before arriving on site. They can do this in several ways, by paying an amount to their client card account called a prepayment, or paying in advance at the point of booking called a future payment. We outlined the differences between prepayments and future payments in one of our previous videos. To cover this in short, however, a prepayment involves a client putting credit on their client card. This enables them to pay for items of their choosing during future interactions. A future payment is a payment made against a future appointment, tying it to the booking as essentially a deposit. If a client wishes to pay to their account for future use, then in reception, under the tinning section, head to Client Member Sale. From here, use the Method drop-down menu to select the method you wish to search for the client who wishes to make a prepayment. Then enter the detail in the search box, such as the client's surname. Click the magnifying glass and then locate the client from the list of those that appear below. Click them and then head to the green tick. If the client doesn't already exist, you can click the Create New button to input them into your system. Once at the till screen, click the Prepayment icon. You can then click the Unit Price box to add the value the client wishes to prepay to their account. Input the value and confirm the details with the client. Remember to use the Staff drop-down menu to select the member of staff making the sale. Click the green tick to then head to the billing screen. We can select the method of payment for the client's credit. This will then show on their client card under the Account tab, viewable via the Prepayments box approximately halfway down the page. If the client has prepayment credit on their account, this will also show in the top right of any future bookings or purchases seen in the till screen. So should clients want to use their credit against any items in future, they can redeem this with ease at the following billing screen via the Prepayment Redemption button. As for future payments, this is simply a case of booking a package or facility as normal, then taking payment at that point in advance of before the client arrives. You can follow our booking reservations video for a full rundown on how to book a reservation. This will mean the client won't need to pay upon departure from their visit unless they have only paid in part. To part pay for an item, head to Reception and then the Client Member Sale icon as before. Locate the client using the search method and click the green tick. The unit price can then be amended to a lower value. Click the green tick to head to the billing screen to then pay for only the amount listed. The client can then pay for the remaining amount at a later point, perhaps when they visit. Finally, you will likely wish for clients to pay a deposit or future pay for reservations and items online. To set this up, log into Manager if you are a single-site business or Administrator if you are based across multiple sites. Once in, head to General and click the General menu. On the next screen, click Sites. At the bottom, click to highlight the site you would like to enable online deposits for, then head to the Site Settings tab. Then on the left, click Booking Options. Under Booking Deposits, you will see an option for Web Booking Deposit Required %. In the box next to this, input the value you would like clients to pay for online, such as 100 for 100% of the value. Click the back arrow once done. When clients next attempt to make a booking through your website, they will receive a prompt for the deposit value to pay. Now you know how to implement several types of deposit in Core. If you have yet to experience Core by Premier software, why not book a free presentation using the link in the description. In the meantime, you can find out more when you visit our website at www.premier-core.com, telephone our sales team on +44 01543 466 580, or email us at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. Why not subscribe to us on YouTube for more weekly videos on how to use Core and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they become available. You can also follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions for regular content. Take care and thank you for watching.